Meaning of factorize.
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 Factorize. Factorization is a mathematical process of breaking down a composite number into its prime factors. In simpler terms, it means finding the factors that can be multiplied together to obtain the original number. For instance, the factorization of 24 is 2x2 by 2 by 3, which means that 24 is composed of 3 2's and 1 3. This technique is widely used in mathematics and cryptography. Factorization can also refer to the process of breaking down a polynomial equation into simpler factors, but this requires more advanced mathematical knowledge.